Hey, come on.
What's up everybody, it's Kurt Minnar here and it's time for us to tackle the last question in our question preparation section where we're focusing on estimation and rounding off. So let's not waste any more time and get straight into it. Now the first thing that we always have to do is read the question thoroughly and ensure that we understand what it is that we have to do. So let's do that. It says round 8,447,883 to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So what is it exactly that we have to do? Well, we have to round the 7-digit number off that we were given to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So let's start off by rounding our number off to the nearest 10. Okay, so the number given is 8,447,883. So because we have to round this number off to the nearest 10, the first thing we have to do is find the number in the tens place. 3 is in the ones place and 8 is in the tens place. Next step, let's find the number next to it. The number next to it is 3. And because 3 is less than 4, the number in the tens place will stay the same and the number to the right of it or behind it will become 0. So let's write out our rounded off number. It's 8,447,880. Boom, there we go. That's our answer rounded to the nearest 10. Now we have to round off the number given to the nearest 100. Let's go. Now again, because we have to round this number off to the nearest 100, we have to find the number that is in the hundreds place. Let's do that. 3 is in the ones place, 8 is in the tens place, and 8 is in the hundreds place. Next up, find the number next to it. And the number next to it is 8. And because the number next to it is 8, that falls into the 5 or more group. Therefore, the number you are focused on in the hundreds place will increase by 1 and the numbers to the right of it will become 0. So it's 8,447,000. Remember, 8 increases by 1. So therefore it becomes 9 and the numbers to the right of it, behind it, become 0. Yes, and that is our number rounded off to the nearest 100. And now we're going to end off by rounding off our number to the nearest 1000. And we will do the same thing again. Because we have to round the number off to the nearest 1000, we have to find the number that is in the 1000 place. So 3 is in the ones place, 8 is in the tens place, 8 is also in the hundreds place, and 7 is in the 1000 place. And now again, let's find the number next to it. Number next to it is 8. And because the number next to it is 8, it falls into the 5 or more category, or the 5 or more group. Our number we are focused on, which is 7, has to increase by 1. So our 7 will become 8. 8,448,000. And that is our answer rounded off to the nearest 1000. So as you can see, we've now rounded our number off to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, and to the nearest 1000. And that brings us to the end of our estimation and rounding off series. We really hope that it added value to your life and that whenever you have to tackle a question with regards to estimation and rounding off, that you can do so confidently. But also when you're out in the real world and you have to round off or estimate to solve a problem or make your life easier, that you can easily do so. Until the next series, keep well and all the best. Put in the work and know that you can achieve and you can do this work if you put your mind to it and you do what you got to do.